I walk on the street. I walk home after work. The sky is grey today. The air feels cold. I keep my hands in my pockets. I wear a hat. It is not a new hat. The color is soft and old. I wear it many times. I like this hat. The street is long. Cars move slowly. People walk fast. No one looks at the sky. Everyone looks tired. I hear the wind. At first it is quiet. It moves past my ears. It feels like a soft sound. I do not think much. I take one more step. The wind gets stronger. It pushes my face. My hair moves. My coat moves. I feel strange. I stop for a second. I look around. The trees shake. The sound gets loud. I put my hand on my hat. I press it down. I say nothing. I just walk faster. I want to go home. The wind comes again. This time it is strong. It hits my head. My hand feels weak. My hat feels light. I feel the hat move. I feel the air under it. I try to hold it. I try to push it down. But the wind does not stop. Then it happens. The wind lifts my hat. It leaves my head. It goes up. It spins in the air. It flies above me. I stop walking. I look up. My mouth opens. I say nothing. My heart jumps. The hat moves fast. The wind plays with it. It goes left. It goes right. It goes higher. I feel empty. I feel small. It is just a hat. But my chest feels tight. I do not know why. I stand there. People pass me. No one stops. No one looks up. The street stays the same. I think of many things. I think of cold days. I think of long walks. I think of quiet nights. The hat is always with me. Now it is not. The wind keeps blowing. The sky stays grey. My hands feel cold. My head feels light. My heart feels slower. I take a breath. I still look at the sky. The hat is far now. It is small. It looks like a dot. I tell myself to move. I tell myself to run. I tell myself it is okay. But my feet do not move. I stay still. The wind does not care. It moves as it wants. It takes my hat. It takes this moment. It takes my calm. I finally step forward. I look ahead. I look up again. The hat is still there. The story is not over. I start to move. I take one step. Then I take another. My feet hit the ground fast. I begin to run. I look up. The hat is still in the air. It moves with the wind. It turns and jumps. It does not wait for me. I run across the street. My bag hits my side. My breath gets short. My legs feel heavy. But I do not stop. I say, wait. My voice is low. The wind takes my words. No one hears me. The hat does not hear me. People walk around me. Some people stop. Some people turn their heads. Most people keep walking. No one runs with me. The wind is strong. It pushes my back. Then it pushes my face. It feels like a game. But I do not play. The hat goes higher. Then it drops. It touches the ground. My heart jumps. I feel hope. I run faster. I reach out my hand. My fingers touch air. The wind laughs. The hat flies again. I stop for a moment. My chest hurts. My legs shake. I bend down. I try to breathe. I think, it is just a hat. I think, let it go. But my feet move again. My body knows the way. My heart says no. I run after the hat again. The street feels long now. The sound feels loud. The wind feels wild. I feel very small. The hat lands near a tree. It stays there for 1 second. I smile. I feel close. I feel ready. Then the wind comes back. It lifts the hat. It pulls it away. It takes it farther. My smile falls. I stop running. I stand still. My arms drop. My eyes feel wet. I look down. People pass by. Shoes make sounds. Coats move in the wind. Life goes on. I feel alone. I whisper, please. The wind does not listen. The hat moves on. The sky stays grey. I feel tired. I take a deep breath. I wipe my face. I tell myself to stop. I tell myself to walk. I slow down. The hat is far now. It is near the corner. I do not chase it. I just watch. My heart feels quiet. Then something changes. I hear a voice. It is close. It is calm. It is not the wind. It is a person. I stand near the road. The wind is still strong. My body feels tired. My heart feels empty. I do not move. I look at the ground. I see my shoes. They are dirty. They look old. I feel the same. The hat is far away now. It moves near the corner. It looks small. It is almost gone. I let it go. I hear a step. It is slow. It is close. It stops near me. I look up. A person stands there. I do not know him. He wears a dark coat. His hair moves in the wind. He looks calm. He looks at the sky. Then he looks at me. He points forward. He opens his mouth. He says, "Your hat." I turn my head. I follow his hand. I see the hat again. It moves on the road. The wind pushes it. I say nothing. My mouth is dry. My eyes feel warm. I just nod. I feel shy. The person does not wait. He starts to move. He walks fast. Then he runs. He runs after my hat. I stand still. I watch him go. I do not understand. My heart feels strange. It feels light. The wind is strong. It pushes him too. His coat moves. His steps are quick. He does not stop. People look at him. Some people slow down. Some people turn back. The street feels different. I feel different too. I hold my breath. My hands are cold. My eyes stay on him. The hat jumps again. It almost flies away. I whisper, "Be careful." My voice is very low. I do not know why. I just hope he hears me. I hope he is safe. The hat hits the ground. It rolls once. The wind pulls it. He runs faster. He reaches out. Time feels slow. The street feels quiet. My heart beats loud. I forget the cold. I forget myself. In that moment, I do not think about the hat. I think about this person. I think about kindness. I think about help. The wind still blows. But something is different now. I am not alone. Someone sees me. Someone moves for me. The wind is loud. It pushes everything. It pushes him. It pushes the hat. It pushes time. The hat moves fast. It jumps on the road. It spins in the air. It does not stay still. It feels alive. He runs closer. His steps are strong. His coat flies open. People move aside. No one stops him. I stand far away. My hands are tight. My eyes do not blink. My heart beats fast. I feel afraid. The hat hits the ground. It rolls near the curb. The wind pulls it again. It almost gets away. Almost. He jumps forward. He reaches out. His fingers touch the hat. The wind pulls back. He holds tight. For 1 second the wind, and he fight. The hat shakes. The air feels sharp. Everything feels tense. Then it ends. He lifts the hat. The wind loses. The hat stays still. It is safe now. It is real again. I breathe out. My shoulders drop. My legs feel weak. I almost laugh. I almost cry. He turns around. He looks at me. He smiles a little. It is not loud. It is kind. He walks back. The street sounds return. Cars move. People talk. Life comes back. He stands in front of me. He holds out the hat. The hat looks the same, but it feels different. It feels warm. I take the hat. My hands shake. I say, "Thank you." My voice is soft, but my heart is full. He nods once. He says, "No problem." His voice is calm, like this is nothing, like this is normal. I smile. He smiles back. The wind still blows, but it feels gentle. It feels friendly. I put the hat on. It fits my head. It fits my day. It fits this moment. It feels right. For a short time we stand there. We say nothing. We share the wind. We share the quiet. Then he turns away. He walks on. He joins the street. He becomes one face again. But I remember him. I walk again. The street is the same. The wind is still strong. Cars pass by. People move on. I wear my hat. It sits on my head. It feels warm. It feels safe. I touch it once. The sky is still grey. The clouds move fast. The wind plays with trees. Nothing looks new. But I feel new. My steps are slow. I do not run now. I breathe deep. My body feels calm. My heart feels soft. I think about the man. I do not know his name. I do not know his story. But I know his action. He stopped. He did not have to stop. He did not have to run. He did not have to help. But he did. That stays with me. I think about the wind. It is strong. It takes things away. It does not ask. It just moves. Life feels like that. Some days are quiet. Some days are hard. Some things leave. Some things return. Today I lose my hat. Then I get it back. I lose my calm. Then I find it again. I walk past the corner. The hat was there before. Now it is gone. Only the wind stays. I smile a little. I think about tomorrow. I think about other days. I think about other people. Maybe they feel tired too. Maybe they need help. I hold my hat. I hold this feeling. I want to keep it. I want to pass it on. One day I will stop too. The wind blows again. It touches my face. It feels cold, but it feels alive. I welcome it. I turn onto my street. My home is close. The lights are on. The door waits. I feel ready. I open the door. I step inside. The wind stays outside. The hat stays with me. The warmth stays too. I take off my shoes. I hang my coat. I take off my hat. I place it down. I look at it. It is just a hat. But it tells a story. A small story. A human story. A warm one.